Project number 4.
Star, delta, forward, reverse, motor control. Hello everyone. The following circuit diagram focuses on the connections of 3 input push buttons and 4 output contactor coils to a typical PLC. We would like to develop a PLC program to transition from star to delta configuration in a 3-phase motor based on the following conditions. Pressing the start right push button activates both main right and star outputs simultaneously. After 6 seconds, the star output switches off and the delta output turns on. Pressing the start left activates both main left and star outputs simultaneously. After 6 seconds, the star output switches off and the delta output turns on. On the other hand, pressing the stop push button deactivates all of the outputs. Safety measures prohibits the simultaneous activation of main right or main left and star or delta outputs. To change the direction, we must first turn the motor off and then change its direction. Why we need to stop motor before changing its direction from forward to reverse? If the motor is spinning in the opposite direction when we apply a reverse direction, the initial current will be extreme, as high as 20 times the full load current. We risk tripping the motor, and if the current is extreme, we will damage the motor contactors or the motor overload relay. What happens if we run motor in a star connection? One of the reasons why star delta starters are used is because of the less starting current in the star connection stage, which provides less starting torque and puts less mechanical and electrical stress on the system, thereby increasing its duration of life.
Let's now review the pre-written control program in CODESYS using the virtual PLC and evaluate how it meets the project requirements. The project has been successfully tested using the CODESYS virtual PLC. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.